welcome back to our vlog. Ang tagal na natin di nag-vlog. So today, we're going to Avilon Zoo. Wala kasing pasok today, bakasyon and Chinese New Year. So we decided to go to the zoo with the kids as they requested. And babalik kami doon. What?
I wanna see the crocodile.
I want to see the crocodile. Okay, let's go!
Oi! My friend already
Wait,
subscribed
ano
to your
ata?
channel.
May...
Daming
There's no
tao.
more monkeys.
Akala namin walang tao.
Ito na yung Arapaima.
Yeah.
Hi! Look!
Red tail cat.
Ayo.
Crocodile.
This is new, no? Itong part na to.
What's that?
What's this?
Look at the parrots, oh. Ganyan si Polly, oh.
Smile! Wow, laki ng ano niya, Arwana. Nice.
Ano? Parang ganyan na si Silver din, eh.
Yeah. Ganda niyo. Ah, cute. Hi. So we're back here at Avilon Zoo. And yay!
And I know
We're so
that.
happy. We're back here in Avilon Zoo after how many years? Pandemic pa yung huli naming punta dito. So, ang daming mga bagong area na na-improve. Including itong area na to. Ito puro ano siya, aquarium. Tapos may mga malalaking fishes. Lalaki ng aquarium. Ito ang ganda.
Golden crossback.
Ganda niya oh.
Funny ng face
Oh, so
niya.
that's this.
Ay, ito. Ganyan si Hammerhead, oh. Pag lumaki, Mia.
Ayan.
Ito, ah. Short body.
Mira, smile.
By the way,
Ayo.
Parang short. Smiling. Saying hi to you.
smiling.
Saying hi. Sabi niya, hi. Yum, yum, yum. Giant eel. So laki. Whoa!
Ayun pa, oh.
Janitor na, cleaner pa.
Ayun, oh.
What's that, ate?
Janitor cleaner. That toy looks like that toy looks like ours.
We're going up there.
Number 5. What's the number 5?
What?
Walang 5?
Meron. Nandun yung 5.
Wow.
We'll go on the 6.
Oh, there's moss. That is slippery.
Ayan na.
Saltwater crocodile.
Crocodile na. Crocodile.
Oh!
Oh,
That's
there.
fresh water.
Really? They are sleeping here. Look.
Oh, no. That is right here.
Where? They're sleeping. Indo-Pacific. Wow. Ano yun? Nakita mo?
Biyaya ko.
Buyaya. What's buyaya? Buwaya. Oh, wow! So big here! Wow! That's so big!
Taba. Taba.
So big!
Mom, there's 2. Sleeping.
Mas malaki yung... Ay, ito. Malaki din. Mas malaki yung kabila.
Look, ito yung nasa apo, yung bird doon.
Oh! Appa! That's a castaway. Castaway.
Movie na up.
Yun.
Going to the giraffe. Here. Nauna na sila. Busog na siya?
Ito na lang po yung feeding na available.
Ah, may count pala siya.
Yes po. Mga ano po, 5 kilos lang na.
Yay!
Ay, yung body niya.
Di ba dalawa to last time? Namatay na yung... Wala siyang raccoon. Oh, this is the flamingo. Oh, the flamingo.
That's how they sleep. That's how they sleep, oh.
Nakahilata.
Ganun sila nakatulog. Yung giraffe, nakabali ulit eh.
Mas nakakatao daw sa giraffe kasi nakabali.
Oh. Ayan po, oh. Mas matapos. Kumiwala ba?
Sparrow.
Wow! you doing there, Mira?
Wanna sleep?
Hi. What are you eating? Oh, it's there na. Black bear. Yeah, you can. You want? Dito tayo, dito tayo. What's the name?
Daisy, boss Daisy.
Stop!
Display.
Miranda, come here.
Buddy, from the movie.
Ano movie? Sige nga.
I forgot. I forgot the name.
Hippo time.
Susok, bigay ko kay Susok.
Okay. Pangalan niya? Susu. Her name is Susu. Susu, sabi mo. Yay!
Oh, thank you.
O, nag-away pa kayo dyan sa ano.
Tawagin mo, Mira.
O, picture ko kayo. Smile, look here. Look here. Kaya nga eh. Smile.
Dikit kayo talo.
Ayan na, Susu. Susu. Oh. Hi, Susu.
Hindi para humarap siya eh. O yan. Ayan na. Yan eh, picture ka, Mira.
Don't touch, anak ka na.
Picture lang, picture. Hana.
Si Hana po yung baby.
Ah, baby.
Yung matanda.
Ayan, yung matanda.
Pygmy. Hana, we don't have any more food. 130 all over in until you're ready, Mom.
4 years old.
Hana, look. Hi, Hana. Hana.
Snub kayo. Kasi hindi niyo ako finid. Sabi.
Hana. Hana.
Ay, wala na. Swimming na ako.
It's also big. Also,
Wow, so big!
let's also go called a Galapagos tortoise.
Ganda. Dito to.
So big, no?
Laki na. Gusto ko yan.
Dapat pala may ganyan tayo. Oh.
Kailangan na may gano'n. Nakita mo yun. Nagpupunta dun sa mga
Hot. May pang-init nila.
pag maulan kasi.
Mommy, Galapagos tortoises are not extinct yet.
Yeah.
Sila ba nagsabi?
Si Mia gusto niya maging vet paglaki niya. Kaya ang dami niyang alam sa mga animals.
I read it from the book.
You read it from the book? Yeah, I know.
Philippines brown bear.
Oh, meron niya electric ha, don't touch.
This is a Philippine blind wheel. Russian Marani.
Oh, this is new. This is new. Crocodile feeding. Dati wala to.
Stop here. Green, green.
What do you want? Pili daw. The blue? Oh. Tanggal mo tong bottle.
Strong baby, strong.
Wow! You know, you have a picture? Tinatch mo yan before. Ngayon nasa hand mo na. Smile! Look here! Big smile!
Okay. Di ba yung gagapang?
Steady lang po, steady lang.
Steady. Don't wait.
Smile! Look here!
Gusto daw niya yan eh.
So brave! Wow! So brave! Look here! Smile!
Okay, yun din sa kaya ate. Anong tawag dito, kuya? Albino. Albino na iguana.
Anong ano niya? Pwede
Up to
patouch?
2 years old? Ganyan na siya kahaba talaga.
Oh, ang soft!
Diba, nice? Hindi siya, hindi siya nangangagat.
Don't touch the camera.
Go! Sumasagot sila.
Hey, smile! Smile!
Yeah. Yeah.
Dito, snake. Oh!
Oh. What's in here? Oh, look at this one, oh.
Yan, gecko.
Look here. Look here.
Sleeping siya, oh. We're done! Yeah!
Happy ba kayo?
So far, sulit naman yung 1,800. We booked that in Klook. Mas mura yun kasi meron silang buy 3 get 1. So if apat kayong family, book-in Klook for 1,800 pesos. Kasi ang adult dito is 800 pesos pag dito kayo bibili. So, better book-in Klook. Mas mura.
800. So magkano lumalabas natin? 1.8 lang lahat, di ba?
Oo, 1.8. Eh di kung adult 800, tapos 600 ang child. Mas mura pa rin, di ba, kung sa Klook. Kasi naka-promo yun. So, book in Klook. So, the time is 1:15. Nagpunta tayo ng around 10 o'clock. Nandito na kami. So, mga halos 3 hours din namin naikot itong Avilon. Ayun lang, sobrang sulit and sobrang nice. Madami rin mga improvements compare nung last na punta namin nung pandemic. Nung pandemic yung huli namin punta. So ayun, marami rin tao nagpunta ngayon. And yan, masaya yung kids.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye! See you again in our next vlog. Bye! Say bye!
Okay, bye, Mira.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi nakikinig. Let's go.
Pagod na.
Let's go.